Hello friends, my name is Sohail Ayub Saudagar. Today date is 12 October 2022. My previous topic is about keywords in Java, and today topic is interactive statement. Interactive statement is also it is the second part of conditional statement. Means our various loop are included in a interactive statement like that while statement, do while statement, for each statement. Java programming language provides set of interactive statements that are used in while, do while, for and for each loop. What while statement in Java? A while statement in Java means you can use keyword while and then complete curly bracket and use a boolean expression, and first statement is a block of the statement and second statement after curly bracket or second bracket. This called a while statement. While statement, how it's flow. While is a check a first of all condition is true, block the next part and go to the third part, and then condition as a true that include first part executed. This called is a while statement. Means all about while means first of all check first condition and enter the loop. This is called a while, and then condition is false, then can out of the loop. This is called a while loop. And second is a do while loop. Do while loop as well as same while loop, but it's a similar difference. Do while loop statement is used to execute single statement or a block statement repeatedly loose at long given to condition is true. Do while statement is also known as exit control looping system. Means while loop is a entry control loop and do while loop is a exit control loop. Do while loop you can use to first of all enter the loop and then next check your condition is true and false. Means you can without condition enter the loop and then last check condition, your condition true is false. That is a do while loop. Advantage of do while loop, you can enter the loop non checkable condition. Your statement print at least one time. This called is a do while loop system. And third is a while loop, for loop. For loop syntax is a initialization, condition, increment and decrement. For loop and while loop as well as same. You know your stopping point means exit point. You can use for loop, but you don't know your exit point means end point. You can use do while loop. Means for loop and while loop as well as same. First of all check initialize a value means I is equal to 1. Is equal to means initialize 1, maybe I equal to 1. This is the initialization. And second, complete this statement, you can note write this semicolon. And second is a condition. Condition means you can how much loop do you follow in your statement, how to condition while repeat you can note down in a second statement. Means I less than equal to 10 means loop executable 9 times in your loop. That's first of all initialize, second is a condition, third increment and decrement means I plus means your condition plus 1 for every executable program. And second is a condition check true and false and modification. And after your loop executable, your condition true, executable first part, otherwise executable last part. Thank you.